Hey Disney adventurers, believe it or not, it's refurbishment season here at Walt Disney World. And that means magic is getting an upgrade. From overhauls to patriotic fireworks, I've got your complete Disney park update right here on DTLalaland. Let's go! First up, it's official, Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin will close on August 4th for a major galactic update. Disney confirmed a new target system, fresh character cameos, and updated ride vehicles. Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid will take a short swim break from July 21st to July 26th. Let's hope Ariel handles those sea slug glitches we've seen making waves on YouTube. Over in Liberty Square, the Hall of Presidents has quietly reopened ahead of schedule with an updated oath of office speech by the current president, just in time for Independence Day. Starting August 25th, Spaceship Earth will be closing temporarily for routine maintenance. No major changes confirmed yet, but it should reopen later this year. If you've made it this far, you're definitely a Disney adventurer, so help us hit 500 subscribers by grabbing your bubble wand and popping that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Fans, get ready! The newly updated ride opens July 22nd after cast member previews and annual pass holder sneak previews. The new on-ride photo hints at a slicker, more futuristic ride. Now let's slide into Hollywood Studios where the Muppets Courtyard closure is giving way to Monsters, Inc. According to WDW Magic, the new door coaster show building will be massive, second in size only to Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. But here's the controversy. Disney is reportedly cutting into cast member parking to build it. Not cool, Disney. Craving something zesty? Flavors of Florida has officially returned to Disney Springs. Citrus treats and Florida fresh bites are now available throughout the shops. Ready to celebrate America in the most magical way possible? Here's your 4th of July rundown. At Epcot, Heartbeat of Freedom fireworks show will occur after Luminous on July 4th at 9 p.m. Spaceship Earth will glow red, white, and blue, and patriotic Mickey and friends will greet guests at the American Adventure. At Magic Kingdom, Disney's Celebrate America, a 4th of July concert in the sky, will perform on both July 3rd and July 4th. Don't let it go just yet, Frozen fans. Disney just dropped Frozen, the Broadway musical, on Disney+. You have got to see how they transformed the animated film into a full stage spectacular. Sven, Kristoff, Olaf, Elsa, Anna, they're all here and larger than life. And Elsa's Ice Queen transformation, let's just say it's pure Broadway brilliance, but you'll have to see it yourself on Disney+ to believe it. So what are you most excited for? Buzz's big blast-off, the Monsters, Inc. roller coaster, or those mouth-watering Florida treats? Let us know in the comments down below. Before we go, we're heading over to Tom Sawyer's Island for one last adventure before the Rivers of America gets drained on July 7th. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video and all the Disney magic coming your way right here on DTLalaland.